In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Hostinger hPanel and delete a website. If you ever need to remove a website from your Hostinger account, whether it's for cleanup or perhaps because it's no longer in use, I'm here to guide you through this process quickly and efficiently. We'll begin by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. Open up your favorite web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. On the home page, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner. Click on that and you'll see fields where you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address and password in the provided spaces. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to go through that additional step as well, providing the necessary security code. Once you've entered all your details, go ahead and hit the Login button. Now that you're logged into the hPanel, take a look at the options on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar there with several different categories to choose from. What you want to do is find the one that says Websites. Clicking on that will take you to a page where you can see a list of all your hosted websites displayed in an organized fashion. Next, you'll need to identify the specific website you want to delete from this list. Once you've spotted it, you'll notice a small icon in the shape of three dots, sometimes referred to as the three-dot menu, located right next to the website's name. This icon is quite handy for accessing additional functions without cluttering the page. Click on those dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can take. From these options, you want to select Delete. This choice will begin the process of removing the website from your account. Once you click on Delete, the system might prompt you to confirm your decision since this action can't be undone easily. This is an important safeguard to ensure no accidental deletions occur. Make sure you're absolutely certain you want to proceed, as any data associated with that website, including files and databases, will also be removed. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the website from your Hostinger account. This straightforward walkthrough will help you manage your hosted sites efficiently, keeping only the projects you need. Thank you for following along, and remember, if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for more support. I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video.